What is up guys, Patrick here, and today I'm doing a review of the Apple wireless keyboard. Now this keyboard comes free with any iMac that you buy today, or you can go buy the keyboard separately from Apple or Amazon for around £60. This keyboard is a wireless Bluetooth keyboard and requires two AA batteries to power it. You can simply connect this to your laptop or computer with the built-in Bluetooth adapter, or you can simply buy an adapter to enable you to use this keyboard. The things I love about this keyboard is its small chiclet keys, slim form factor, and it allows me the ability to type pretty fast. I also love the fact that it's not got any cables and it's completely wireless, allowing you to transport it wherever you go. I personally use this keyboard on my main PC, which I edit these videos with, along with my 2007 MacBook. It's portable enough to allow me to throw in a bag or to keep on my desk during everyday use. As always, thank you guys for watching my review of the Apple wireless keyboard. Next week I shall be looking at the new HTC One and doing a review of that.